Hi, this is Mila, and I decided to be adventurous. This is an MJ Miniverse Make a Mini Cafe, and I know that there are pinholes, and I did end up seeing it. This one is, where was it? Right here in the middle of the little desserts. But I don't know what it is. I didn't check. It's series 4. I'm sure there's a cheat sheet already of the pinholes, but I kind of didn't want to. I feel like somebody else might have, because it kind of, at the store, it looked pretty banged up. But listen, right? It's an adventure. Maybe it'll be cute. And I haven't done a lot for the series. Like, I haven't looked at videos or anything. Those are very cute. I mean, this is adorable. This is so adorable. And I don't want more ice. I mean, listen, it'll be what it will be. And I kind of liked the little desserts. And that's cute, that's cute. Okay, I'm guessing it's all going to be cute. Also, did I manage to open it or did I forget to do it? Oh no, I did it. Hey, I did it. Okay. Come on. Don't undo it. Oh, this is a big rip. Ooh, what is it? Boba. Boba. Ooh, did we get the little thing? The one that I was saying is super cute? Hi. Okay, there we go. Okay, no, didn't succeed on this one. You know what they say, with those balls, it's addictive. Okay, I don't know who they is, but it definitely is. Do you know what I realized when I went to get those? So it happens to be the first full day at school today, and I was like, I'm gonna get a treat. So I went to Walmart to get a treat, and I was, ooh, somebody ordered ice. So I went to get like a treat, like chips or Tostitos or, you know, something like a treat. And then I ended up just naturally going upstairs where the balls live. Oh yeah, look at it. Look at it. That's the one that I was like, it's so cute. Okay, I'm very happy. Okay. And it wasn't on purpose. I swear I did not look at the cheat sheet. I just kind of grabbed 3 balls. 3 is my lucky number, so this is 1 out of 3. May I get other ones if I decide so? I may, because that kind of looks adorable. But this one was the one that I grabbed first, I think. I can't remember. Okay, I really can't remember. But I know that I grabbed 3. Whoops. Ah, no. Why do I always keep dropping stuff? Okay, so there's this thing, there's the, which I bet you like $3 bajillion. I will not be using those, but don't take me up on that bet, just in case. Okay, I'm not sure whether I'll be using the ball for anything, but it's there, so I'll just put it off to the side. And let's look at this. Oh my goodness, they're all so cute. Look at those beautiful, beautiful coffee desserts. Ooh, this one looks good. And 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 they all look very, very good. Okay, where's the one that I'm getting? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're supposed to put the bubbles. We're supposed to put the ice, the liquid, and then put the straw in. Okay, doesn't seem too bad. I love the fact that they made, I bet you it's probably a plastic straw, but they put it in plastic. That's kind of ironic. Okay, wait a second. Nope, it seems like a plastic straw, which I guess means this is not the best cafe because they don't have paper straws. Okay, so let's open up the Boba. I'm assuming those are the bubbles. And I really, like, my students ask me to open stuff for them, and I'm like, of course I will. I'm the adult, I know how to open stuff, but now I need help opening this. Okay, I opened it. And, okay, they give you a ton of bubbles. I don't want to spill any. There's a ton of bubbles, and I feel like I'm not supposed to put a ton in here. They show 6 on the photo. Well, let's look at the finished one. Where is it? Okay, it's not 6. It feels like it's maybe a little bit more. But every time I go to the store, usually like whenever I go to the real fruit bubble tea place, I always get a ton. So just put more than 6 because I love those little bubbles, the tapioca. Those are like a guilty, not so guilty pleasure because nobody's like yelling at me or anything, but I'm gonna put all of them in. I will be celebrating. I might not have the real thing that I can actually drink right now, but I do have this one, and there's a bubble that doesn't want to come out. Come on, little cat. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it's way more than they show to put in, but I'm like, I don't care. I'm gonna put them all in. I just have to. It's the rule, okay? Then it was, what was afterwards? Where was it? Okay, so then it's the eyes, then it's the liquid. Okay. And I would like to point out, I yet again don't have one of those nozzle thingies that go at the top. But I love the eyes. Look, it has like the little cap thingy at the end that like bread has sometimes. It's adorable. Look how cute it is. They really like, it's very well thought out. I need scissors again. I'm not a proper adult. I don't have scissors. Okay. So now that I am a proper adult and I actually opened it, although I still don't have scissors, let's put some in. I'm not going to put a ton. Whoops. I mean, it does need space to go in, so. And the rest of it I'll put in the mini fridge. Wouldn't that be adorable? Like the different sized ices. Oh, look how cute. It already looks so adorable. Ooh, I'm having an idea. What if I were to like pour some liquid in there and then cure it and put some more ice in? Can I get some of the ice out? Because I may have put too much ice. Okay, only bubbles are coming out. So I guess the answer to that is no. Okay, but I am a fan of adding more ice, I think. Okay, let me just look at the photo. Let me just look at the photo again and be like, should I put more ice? Yeah, I'll put more ice. I'll put more ice right now. This way, because otherwise I might not have enough liquid if I put too little ice. There we go. Sorry, I have to push them in like I can't, and I don't want to take a chance of them falling out. Oh, the forceps that I'm not using, or tweezers, or whatever those little plastic things are called. Tongues, maybe? I keep calling them like everything else but what they're called. There we go. Okay, yeah, okay, yes, this was a good decision. But I kind of want to put more tapioca at the front. No, the tapioca went above the eyes. I don't mind this though. I actually kind of like it. Okay, let's do this. What is this for? Does this go on top of the straw maybe? No. Let's look at the instructions. It goes on top of the ball. There we go. When you don't watch videos of it, you don't know where to put it. Okay, there we go. So let's open up the Thai tea. And let's pour away. This is going to be a disaster without a nozzle, but I will do my best. And it's coming out. Go just in the middle, please. Not sticking anywhere else. I wonder what's going to happen with the bubbles, but I guess we'll find out together. Or I guess I'll find out before you because I'm actually filming it, and then you'll be seeing it. Evil cackle number 2. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I ended up taking the decision out of it and just pouring everything in, because I made so many decisions today with my students. Okay. Do I keep going? I feel like I need to keep going. Oh yeah, there's still more left to fill out. Otherwise, it'll be the emptiest bubble tea ever. Come on. So I ended up filling it up all the way to the top. This way you can see the little adorable face and you can see all the bubbles at the bottom. Look at that. It's like bubble rich. Maybe if I put my hand behind. There we go. There's a ton of bubbles. So I'll just, oh wait, I need to put this in with the straw. So I guess I will put the straw through. Okay. Close it, and then, oh, this way I can even push the bubbles if I want. There we go. And, uh-oh, some of it came out on top, so I'd better go clean it up. Okay, so I cleaned it up, and I guess my tip is do not fill it up all the way to the top. But yeah, there's a bubble right here, so I will wait for a bit more for it to go up, but I think it's so full that it needs to like go all the way up and like into the cap. So I will get back to you once it is all done and cured. So here's the adorable little tighty with boba. You can see the pearls. They're pretty adorable. You can see the straws, and whoever is drinking this is one lucky person because there's so many pearls inside because I love it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!